Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Samsung keyboard type and power state so pairing goes smoothly. Turn the keyboard on and ensure it has at least 20% charge or fresh batteries. This prevents mid-pair dropouts. On your laptop, enable Bluetooth in settings or plug the USB dongle into a tested port. Once done, put the keyboard into pairing mode by holding the designated key, usually a Bluetooth or Connect button, so the laptop can discover the device immediately. You now make the laptop find and accept the keyboard. Open Bluetooth settings, click Add Device, and wait for the Samsung entry to appear. Select it promptly. If a PIN or confirmation appears, type or accept it to complete authentication. For USB receivers, check Device Manager for unknown devices and install or update drivers if Windows doesn't auto-install them. Once drivers finish, verify the keyboard appears as connected, and test basic keys so you know input works. You finish by confirming full functionality and resolving common issues. Test typing, function keys, and media controls. Make sure the laptop's input language matches the keyboard layout to avoid wrong characters. If the connection drops, unpair and repair, reboot the laptop, or try another USB port for receivers. If problems persist, reset the keyboard to factory defaults and repeat pairing. This clears corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: update your laptop's Bluetooth driver or try pairing with a phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.